What happens when you start eating chia seeds every day? Chia seeds have become increasingly popular in recent years, thanks to their numerous health benefits. These tiny black or white seeds are packed with nutrients, such as fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to any diet. In this video, we will discuss what happens when you take chia seeds every day. 1. Improved digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of chia seeds is their ability to improve digestion. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. This gel-like substance helps to slow down the absorption of food, which can prevent spikes in blood sugar levels and promote feelings of fullness. Additionally, the fiber in chia seeds helps to promote regular bowel movements and prevent constipation. 2. Increased energy levels. Chia seeds are also known for their ability to increase energy levels. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats in chia seeds can provide sustained energy throughout the day. The slow release of energy from chia seeds can also help to prevent blood sugar crashes, which can lead to feelings of fatigue and lethargy. 3. Lowered cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can help to lower cholesterol levels in the blood. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that has been shown to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Additionally, the high fiber content in chia seeds can also help to lower cholesterol levels. 4. Improved heart health. Chia seeds are also beneficial for heart health. In addition to lowering cholesterol levels, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease, so consuming chia seeds can help to reduce this risk. 5. Stronger bones. Chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for maintaining strong bones. Calcium is necessary for bone formation and maintenance, while magnesium helps to regulate calcium levels in the body. Phosphorus is also important for bone health, as it helps to strengthen bones and teeth. 6. Improved skin health. The antioxidants in chia seeds can help to improve skin health. Antioxidants help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help to reduce inflammation in the skin, which can help to improve conditions such as acne and eczema. 8. Weight loss. Chia seeds can also be beneficial for weight loss. The high fiber content in chia seeds can help to promote feelings of fullness, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Additionally, the slow release of energy from chia seeds can help to prevent overeating and snacking between meals. In conclusion, taking chia seeds every day can provide numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, increased energy levels, lowered cholesterol levels, improved heart health, stronger bones, improved skin health, and weight loss. However, it's important to remember that chia seeds should be consumed in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the best way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet.